Hi, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Just in case you're yet to subscribe to this YouTube channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and you turn on the notification button, okay? So that when we post similar videos like this that would help you succeed in trading, maybe forex, cryptos, CFDs, synthetics, stocks, or whatever you, then you can be able to be notified about the new video. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you quickly on how to do a top-down analysis. There are many newbies, young traders who don't even understand what this is. They just come in onto the chart and they just want to start trading, but trading is not like that. Okay, you must do analysis, in as much as we tell you that trading is 80% psychological, then 20% technical and fundamental. That does not mean that the place of fundamentals and technicals will no longer be put in place. Okay, you will still do your fundamentals and do your technicals for you to win entries. All right, so for those of you who's been with me through my mentorship, whether through my free signal group, my VIP group, you agree with me that we've been having high winning rates, back to back for 2 years now. When I give an entry, it goes straight to take profits. Sometimes we take stop loss, but most times I haven't done the arithmetics of the number of take profits we have with respect to the number of stop losses. You agree with me that we have been very, very profitable. So it's a profitable journey for us. And I know there's someone out there who is wondering, how do you do this analysis? How do you come about it? How do you catch those pips? You can catch 20 to 120 pips. Okay, so but you see, we do not create the pips. Okay, is haven't done the top down correctly that we're able to see the void. We're able to see what bias is available, and then we're able to go in. So right now I'm going to go straight to the drawing board. Okay, and I'm going to show you correctly how to do a top down analysis, and I hope that that will help you to be able to win your entries and win in trading. All right, let's go straight to the dashboard. Traders wishing, willing to achieve something like this, and to some of them they think it's not possible. In fact, when they see a move like this, they just want to close here. But you see, that's why you will not be profitable. Now, you don't just catch pips like this, like just come in and just catch beautiful move like this. There must be deliberate actions that were taken, and one of such action is what we call top down analysis. Okay, let's just go straight to GBUSD for FXCM. That's, I need a plain chart so that I can be able to show you how to do your top down analysis. Now, just like the name implies, it says top down. Okay, it says top down. It's a simple thing. Let me give you first one. Now, there are different strategies to trading, but let me see how many I can give you in this video. But I think I should give you one strategy, okay, first. Then if you need more of my strategies, then it's not a problem. So go to click on our website. If you go to the profile side of the YouTube channel, you will see our website, kfctrading.com. Click on the website and subscribe to my VIP mentorship package, and I will teach you plainest strategy that you can use. I have a lot of strategy. I have the order block liquidity strategy. I have the trend line liquidity strategy. Okay, then I have, those are my two strategies. I formed those two strategies, and that's what I'll be using to win in the space. Then I have some other strategies that I picked from other mentors. Okay, there's SMC, there's Jeffrey Benz's strategy, beautiful strategy, psychological levels and all that wins. I can teach you all of that if you really want to learn it. But just so that this video is not too long, let's just use one strategy and let's just move from there. So quickly, I'm just going to take you to something you will love. Okay, so like it says, top down. So it's possible that you start your analysis either from the 24-hour time frame and you go down into your entry time frame. Some people like to go in with 15 minutes time frame, some like to go in with 5 minutes time frame, some like to go in with 1 hour time frame, and some like to go in with 30 minutes time frame. So what you do is you're going to look around your strategy. You're going to watch exactly what your strategy permits and what is possible for you to achieve with that strategy before you can decide what to do. For me, with my strategy, I go in with 15 minutes time frame. Okay, especially when I'm dealing with my either my order block. My order block liquidity strategy, I use 15 minutes to go in, and I start the analysis from a higher time frame down into the 15 minutes time frame. That's what it means when you say top down. So you come from a higher time frame and you go down to a lower time frame. But when I use the liquidity, the trend line liquidity strategy, I usually do that on the 4-hour time frame, and I take my entry on the 2-hour time frame. Okay, quickly let's go to the I just want to do a quick back test as I round up the video. So I'm going to show you now, starting from this will be the entry time frame. Okay, because I want to back test it and show you something. Okay, so this is 24-hour time frame. So assuming that this is our entry time frame, which is the 15 minutes time frame for me. Okay, what it means is that the next one will be what, 30 minutes, right? That's 1 week, and the next one will be what, 1 hour. Okay, so now if this is the 1 hour time frame, let me show you something. What you need to do is you just pick simply a candle. Let's pick this. So you are interested in the candle that closed the day, especially if it's a long candle. So if you're going to be doing it from the 15 minutes time frame, you can use 1 hour time frame to look for that candle. Depends. You can use 24-hour and go in with 30 minutes. Okay, you can use 1 hour and go in with 5 minutes. Okay, so now this, we're going to use this 1 month and go in with 24-hour. All right, quickly, so this is it. We're going to play now the replay so that that candle will form. So what we do is that as the candle forms now, which is going to form soon, we're going to take the high of the candle and the low. So this is the candle, this is the high of the candle. Okay, and then we mark what, the low of the candle. So we have the two of them there. So what do you do now? You go down straight into your entry time frame, then you watch. Now this is going to give you several pips. You watch the candles play into, this is your zone. Anything that doesn't occur within this area is not your entry. So once price plays in this zone, then you are looking out for a change of character and a break of structure. So you can see we came from the top, which is the 1 week time frame, and now we're going in with the daily time frame. Okay, so quickly I'm just going to play that. I just show you what I mean. Okay, so you see that first move has given us what? It's giving us a low. Okay, so liquidity have swiped. We're going to wait for another low to confirm our entry. Okay, now if you look closely, you will see there's another low here, another low, of which this one has taken out this low and has confirmed what? A break of structure. So we're going to wait for another one that may most likely take out this one and will confirm a change of character. So let's let it play out fast. Okay, so if you look closely, you see that this became invalid because this took out, giving us a new high, and all of a sudden a low was formed here, of which taking out that low was a break of structure, taking out this second one was a change of character. Okay, and then right here price is giving us something like a confirmation for us to go from this line to this next line. But let's see. Okay, so that means this is the break of structure. Okay, this is the break of structure, and this is what the change of character. So but we want price to do that inside our zone, that's outside our zone. Okay, now price has done what we were looking for in our zone, of which it has broken structure and changed character. So automatically we look for the PY, which is the closest fair value gap, using the PDRA, and then our stop loss is just above this low. Okay, and then our take profit will be on this line. This will give you massive pips. Don't joke with this, okay? Take it seriously. And so you watch price play out and go straight to your entry, to your take profit zone. So in this case it got induced. Okay, so the stop loss is not on the correct path. Okay, this is something you need to pay close attention, that sometimes you will hit stop loss and sometimes you may not hit stop loss. So because of that, when you hit stop loss, you find out why you hit the stop loss and do various correction to, you know, correct that incident. So if you look closely, you see that the setup was actually correct, but the entry point is what was not very correct. So if you look, you see that price went straight, got us induced before going straight to the take profit. Okay, so this particular one I felt it was going to go straight take profit, but it did not go as expected. So I'm going to do another one for you to confirm that. So what it means now is that the stop loss should have been a little bit above this high. Okay, and the entry point should have been, I think this is still correct for the entry point. Okay, so let's just get another one and just do again what we just did in this previous one. So let's go back to the 1 week time frame again. Right, is it 1 week again? Is it 1 week now? Okay, so from this time frame, okay, no, I think it's 1 month. 1 month time frame. Okay, yeah. So let's pick another candle quickly and repeat the same thing. So we just need one candle that is closing. So if you don't find that big candle closing the week or the day, then you don't have the directional bias for any trading. Okay, so we have that candle there. So quickly we'll just take this here. This is the opening and this is the closing of that candle. All right, so what we're going to be interested in now, we're going to go back to the 24-hour time frame, and then we're going to expect price to play within this setup. Anything outside the setup is not our entry. Okay, so let's see what price will do. Okay, so it's already moving. Okay, change of character, break of structure is already moving, and excuse me, if you look closely, it's coming straight up. It's coming straight up to the take profit. So we're going to look for another candle as this one, excuse me, as this one is already moving. So, and the stop loss should just be under this low. Okay, so let's see it. Okay, it has hit the take profit already. So let's look for another candle. Let's go back to the 3 months time frame. Okay, sorry, 1 month, right? I think it's 1 month. 1 month. 1 month. So I say 1 hour, right? 1 hour, 30 minutes, 5 minutes. Sorry, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes. So 4. So 3 months. Let's use 3 months. So as we are on this 3 months time frame, so we have, let's look for our candle. I think this candle will give us what we want. Let it finish then we will mark the high of the candle and the low of the candle, then we'll use it to just do one correct one as we round up the video. Right, so this is it. So this is the closing and this is the opening of the candle. So we're going to go down. Okay, that's why it's called top down. We're going to go down to our entry time frame, which is the 24 hour. I think this will give us a beautiful entry. So what we need now is for price to give us from this edge our setup. Okay, so just watch. So what are you saying? Let's see. Once we have our break of structure, change of character, we'll start thinking of going in. So what do we have there? Okay, I think we have what we wanted. So we have break of structure here, we have change of character, we have internal break of structure here, and if this is the low, if this is the low, then we have a fair value gap just around this point. So let's see how this plays. And this is actually a good entry because the stop loss does not need to go very far. So we're just going to put our stop loss around this zone, and our take profit will just go down to this next low. Okay, so make sure you take it higher than that so you don't get induced. You know what happened in the last one. So let's see what price does. So price took us in. Price took us in. Oh no, price did not go as predicted. Price did not go as predicted. Okay, so one of the reasons for this, we're going to do another one, is that this currently, if you go back to the 3 months time frame, you find that the candle is giving a bullish sign. Okay, something like this. Always pay attention to that. I wanted to say it initially. So make sure if you are drawing the upside and the downside of those two candles, make sure you are following the trend. So if it's an uptrend, then look for the buy side. If it's a downtrend, then look for the sell side. Okay, so it's an uptrend, as you can see. So let's look for another candle. So this went partial. I won't count it as a win because we want from entry to take profit. So let's do the last one again until we get it right. Okay, so we're looking for buy setups. So let's wait for the candle, let it print out the candle we want. Once the candle is printed, then we will start looking for our entry. So what candle is coming now? Okay, that's a reversal at that point. Let's see what candle is coming. So we need a long candle. We don't need candles with long wicks. We just need a candle with long body, and then we can go with that. Okay, that candle is quite short. So for such time, when you see such short candles, you just may not want to go in because you will not really get much pips with that. You wait for candles that are long, okay, because they will give you clearer direction of bias. So it's already out of the trend. It's going downward now. So we might, if we see a sell opportunity, we can use. Okay, except if it goes up, then we look for buy opportunities. So let's just wait for the candle to fully print, and then we would take it up from there. So okay, so let's use that one. Let's use that one. Okay, no, let's wait for another candle. I need a longer candle. That candle is not that long. Let me see if I can get a longer candle. Okay, so I'm seeing a longer candle. Oh, not even longer. We need a longer candle that will give us what we can use for this illustration. Okay, I think this can do. And with that candle, let's just use this for the sake of the video. with this candle we can do bullish move because that looks bullish. Okay, so now let's go down to the 24-hour time frame. So what are you looking out for? You're looking out for the buys. Okay, so when we play, we wait for price to give us a buy confirmation from the downside. Okay, so instead of buy, it's giving us a sell confirmation around here. So let's see. This is supposed to be the entry for a sell confirmation. So if you look at that, you see that the candle now is no longer trending as supposed, it is now ranging. So in that case, we can either sell or buy. Sell low, buy. Sell high, buy low. Okay, so let's see if price will take us in through this fair value gap. So price did not take us in through the fair value gap. So let's look for another one quickly. So let's go back to the 3 months time frame. Okay, so I'm seeing this big candle that is currently forming. I think it will give us what we're looking for. Okay, so let's work with this one that just formed. So we pick the down and the up path. We go back to the 24-hour time frame. So now watch out for the break of structure and the change of character. So price is already here for this, already moving up. Okay, of which if you look, you see it has broken structure here, has changed character already. So this should be the entry. The entry should be somewhere around here, and I hope this goes as planned, and the take profit should be just on this next line. Okay, so the stop loss should be under this low to avoid any inducement. So I think this is a good entry. So let's see how this plays. Okay, so it took cut in already. Okay, so we're already on the current price, of which we may not be able to see that. So let's back test. Let's go back to the 3 months time frame. Let's look for another candle. So let's look quickly for a long candle. I think this can do. So let's just wait for the next candle to print. Okay, so the next candle has already printed. Then we're going to pick the low and the high. So this is the high for this candle, and then we're going to pick the low. So that's the high and the low. So we are interested in this case. This looks ranging, so we're interested in what price will do, whether up or down. So once we have confirmation up, we're going to sell. Once we have confirmation down, we're going to buy. Now this is why I don't like to use 3 months. 3 months will not appear if you use 3 months. So let's exit this. Okay, but I hope you understand if I use the 1 month. I hope you understand what we are trying to explain in this video. Alright, so let's use 1 month and let's just cut it from. So let's look for a long candle. I think this can do. Okay, so I think that can do. So let's play it and see that the candle is fully formed. So let the next candle print. Okay, so now we have the low. We have the low of the candle. We have the high, the high, and then we have. Okay, it's a selling candle, so we have the low and the high. Then we go down to our entry time frame. So in this case, this looks bullish, so we're going to find the buying entries. Okay, it looks bullish, so let's find the buying entry. So price is now on our setup. It's not in our setup, sorry. So all we need is break of structure, change of character. Okay, that's it. So what did you see there? We have break of structure, we have change of character. So we can pick a POI from here, of which our take profits should just be here, and our stop loss should be here. This might be a long ride, so let's see how this plays. So you wait for price to take you in. We're in already, and you watch out for what price will do. Okay, so I hope you are seeing it is a bit fast. Let me zoom out correctly so you can see clearly. I hope you're seeing it. So that's it. So this particular one came out correctly. Okay, so price did not actually get to the take profits in this part, so we did not hit TP on this. We went on partial, we went out on partial. Okay, so let's do another one. We must get one that will go straight to take profits. So we're going to remove the replay, go back to 1 month, right? 1 month. Let's look for another candle. We must get one that will go straight to take profit. Okay, so let's take this one. Let's take this one from here and take this one from here. Okay, so we're going to replay from here. So let's form the candle fully before we go to that, even though I've already drawn the line. But let me show you the candle. So that's the full candle. Okay, so when you see candles like that, just know that this strategy is about to play. So then let's go down to our entry time frame, which is the 24-hour time frame, and then let's look out for our entry. Okay, so good. This is going to give us good entry. So we just need break of structure. Yeah, that's it. We have need a change of character. Okay, so price is still going down, so wait for price to come back into our setup zone. So until price is in our setup zone, we are not taking any entry. Wait for price to get in our setup zone. So you keep waiting. So this is why sometimes traders are always on the candle waiting. They are waiting for price to get in their setup zone. So price is now in our setup zone. Okay, so that's it. That's all we needed. So from here, you see that the change of character is clear. So this is it, and you look for your POI. So this should be the closest and the easiest POI to spot, and this should be the take profit, and stop loss should be just beneath this low. Okay, so let me zoom it clearly so you can see, and then let's wait for price to play out as predicted. So price is in. Price is still moving. Very close to take profits. Very close to take profits. In this case, if you break even, you'll be out. So that's why most times I don't like to break even. I like to hold. Is either I take the stop loss or I take the take profit, of which if I take the stop loss, definitely I'm going to get another one that will hit take profits. So price is very close to stop loss. Well, it did not hit stop loss, so that means we're still good. There are entries like this sometimes. Difficult entries, but good setup. And finally, we took take profits. How did you see that? Okay, so that is basically how to do your simple top down. Now when you do this on, let's say you do it on 1 hour to take your entry on 5 minutes, you'll be more accurate. The reason for all these little discrepancies that we had was because we were using higher time frames. We're trying to equate it as lower time frames, but you can see that the strategy plays out well, and the top down is well described and illustrated in this video. Okay, so I hope you're able to see basically how to go from top to down and how to play out a strategy. You may have your particular strategy. It doesn't matter. You can use your strategy to do what this video, the essence of this video is to show you how from a top to a down analysis you can be able to find directional bias and see entries that will give you TP, accurate TP. So either you're hitting TP or you're hitting stop loss to come out with. I hope that by this video you've been able to learn very well and you will be able to improve your skill, okay, and henceforth make better entries, hit more take profits than stop losses, become profitable, win in the space, and be a better trader. I'm rooting for you. I want you to succeed, and that's why I'm doing this video. Okay, so for you to get more of this kind of video, I'd like you to subscribe to this channel. Okay, click on the subscribe button and also click on the turn on the notification side, okay, so that when we post more videos like this you can be notified that there's a new video for you to see. Please do that quickly because more videos to help you is coming. See you soon.